Did you know that you can connect Jira with Dailybot, manage tasks, updates, and progress without leaving the chat? Doing so is quite easy. Go to the Dailybot website, navigate to settings greater than API and integrations, select Jira software, click connect, and accept. Here, you just need to select your Jira board. That's it. Now you'll have your tasks right in the chat where you're working. All your tickets have been moved into Dailybot. Your Jira tasks are right there, where the work happens. You can do things like ask the chat what your tasks for today are, and you'll have them right there, ready to interact with each one. From the chat, you can move your task's status without having to be inside Jira, and if necessary, add a comment to the task. You can see it right from the chat. It's as simple as adding a comment to the relevant task, confirming the message you want to send, and that's it. It's now in Jira. We've finished a task. It's time to change its status to done. So there you have it. You can do this and much more from wherever you work, and it will be reflected in the tasks you've set up in Jira. One conversation, complete visibility. See you soon.